guys, welcome back. I'm gonna do another unboxing. This does have a brand name, so this is from... Espérame, es que no quiero enseñar mi dirección. La compañía se llama Ezbeautylashes. The brand is called Ezbeautylashes. So I can't remember entering this giveaway. I don't think it's PR. I don't know, I can't remember. It's probably a giveaway, but anyway, so I'm just gonna open the box. So wow, there's a lot of lashes. So the first thing is this lash. It doesn't come with the cover. I don't know why. That's strange to me. It should come with the cover. It's brand new, but and it looks... I need to make sure how I deliver things when I say, because I may come off rude, but it looks dirty, trust me. Like, or okay. I'm gonna be quiet. Okay, so another pair of lashes, but without a cover. That's strange to me. It's the first time it has happened to me before. These are really small, short. I don't like these, but I mean, it might look better on my eye, but how it looks, I don't like it. But these look better. Okay, yeah. Así lo voy a dejar. So, yeah. Okay, the next thing is this little bag. See, this is the business card with a spoolie. Ooh, what else? This is new. Hold up, let me open it. The spoolie is glittery. I've never seen a glitter spoolie before. Okay, this I like from them. It's gold and sparkly. And oh, this one is the same. It's just pink. Okay, this is their business card. Yeah, can't barely see. Sorry, but you can't tell. Okay, that's that. Okay, these lashes do have a packaging now. It has a box. So this is faux lashes, cruelty-free strip lash, up to 20 uses per pair. Okay, so I love that they are foaming. Those are my type of lashes, so I love that. Okay, so this is the style Iris. Okay. The next style is called Persephone. I don't know. I've never heard of this word before. So this is the names are creative. I like it. So these are more fluffy and bigger. Okay. The next style is called Aphrodite. So these are kind of the same, but a little bit more wispy. They're pretty. Okay, and the last lash is called Athena. So okay, they are volumed as well. Okay, and that's pretty much it. In the card it says, "You got great taste." I know. Thank you. I'm just kidding. Thanks for supporting our small business. Okay, yeah. Oh, I don't think so. Let me read. Hold on. Yeah, it was a giveaway. So yeah, she's thanking me for entering the giveaway. Okay. And thank you for making one, because now I have free lashes. And that's basically it. That's the end of this unboxing. I hope y'all liked it. I'm grateful for these packages, because girl, I need a lot of lashes. So I'm thankful for these little small boxes. So yeah, okay, thank y'all for watching. Bye.